Hey everybody, what's up? So back with another video here today. We're at Omega Windows Tinting in Fayetteville, North Carolina, and we're gonna get some tint on the Tesla Cybertruck. So stay tuned to the video and I'll document the whole process and show you how they tint a Cybertruck. Got some people checking it out. So this is the factory tint right here, and I'm gonna go darker in the back, but I'm gonna go legal, the legal limit in North Carolina for the front. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. All right, so we're here with Nicole at Omega Windows Tinting in Fayetteville.
Hi, yes, we don't only do windows tinting here. We also do ceramic coatings, PPFs, full body vinyl wraps, headlight restoration, smoke out your headlights and tail lights. We also do detailing, interior and exterior. Clean up your vehicle nice and good. We buff out any imperfections it may have and bring it up nice and shiny. Renew the vehicle also if you have any older vehicles. Our phone number you can reach us at is 910-527-5564. You can call or text that number and also send a voicemail. We reach out to you as soon as we can. Or our email is omegawt2011@gmail.com. We also take walk-ins. We're very, very lenient and we can pretty much be flexible to our customers. But we do pretty much anything. We can also take stickers off your vehicle if you want any dealership emblems they put on there and you don't want. But we can do anything. You can just swing by, we'll take a look at it. We also have rim protectors if you want your rims from any curb scratches. I know some curbs don't belong there and the rims get scratched up. We can also install those. And we do quotes right as soon as you call through the phone. We also do same-day appointments as well.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff.
Yeah.
So definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave their number and contact information in the description below. So if you're in the Fayetteville area, definitely come and check out Omega Windows Tinting. Perfect, and it's like literally 2 minutes off post at Fort Liberty right here. All right. Here it is. Here it is. Wow, that thing looks sweet. I'm telling you guys, I'm not exaggerating. They did this work in under an hour. No exaggeration in that. Just look at that. Perfect. The last time I was at Tint shop, man, that thing was like maybe 3 hours, and it was a smaller car. That's crazy. Under an hour. They got the whole thing done. See, it's pretty dark in the back. And I got the legal tint on the front. Just look at that. Here you can see the back glass, so it matches the rear windows. Wow, these guys are super professional and super quick at what they do. I said, how did you do that? He said, a whole lot of practice. And trust me, I believe him. So if you're in this area, Fayetteville area, definitely stop by Omega Windows Tinting. They do everything here. Come on over and check them out. Support your local businesses. It's all here in Fayetteville. You don't need to go out of town. And it's right off post. So you can get here as soon as you go through that Yadkin gate. You can get here within 2 minutes. So big shout out to Carlos right here. He hooked it up. He hooked it up. This is the guy. So if you want this done to your Cybertruck, I mean, they all can do it. But if you want this, you can come and ask for Carlos.
Here Monday through Saturday.
All right.
All day.
There we go. Monday through Saturday. Come and look for Carlos. All right, so we're outside with Nicole again, and she's gonna tell us the exact tint that's on this Cybertruck.
Hi, so today we did the legal 40% tint on the two front windows with the little quarter, which is the 35 here in North Carolina for inspection. All back windows was 5%, so pretty much on SUVs you can black out the back of your SUVs. No matter what, you'll still pass inspection. We used HS inorganic ceramic tint today. It has 94% glare reduction, 99 plus heat rejection and UV block. It's just the best film out here. There's also different ceramic films, but for now this is the one we use, and it is amazing. Even though you can't see the darkness, he won't have a lot of privacy on there, but he will have all of the heat rejection benefits. So as he's driving around, when it's sunnier outside, he will definitely feel that difference. And it will protect the interior as well from the heat and UV rays damaging any kind of leather or like the dash on there. And hopefully in the future for that humongous front windshield, we can definitely do it for him. There is a legal limit for it. It will just be clear, but for now he does have that kind of, we call it the magic glass. So it's kind of like a glass, a mirror look to it, which benefits him as well. So as he's driving, you can't even see through the back, which is, it's amazing. It's great.
Amazing.
Yes, definitely. But that's what we did today, and hopefully you love it, and let us know how you feel about it, especially when it's sunny. Let us know, like, if it'll definitely be worth it. So I don't want you to tell me if it's worth it. It is worth it. So yes, it's great.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. Check them out. Omega Windows Tinting, Fayetteville, North Carolina. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about this Tesla Cybertruck right here with the tint. All right, if you guys want to see more Tesla Cybertruck content, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. Peace out.